There's a lot to love about Lightning Experience. And now there's a way to spread the love and knowledge to users through in-app guidance prompts. Prompts can be used to onboard and train users, highlight recent configuration changes or org news, and introduce new features. You can use prompts for anything you can think up. Let's say we're the admin of an org rolling out Lightning Experience. Since using list view features can be a huge productivity booster, we want to make sure our users know about them. From Setup in Lightning Experience, enter In-App Guidance in the Quick Find box. Then select In-App Guidance. To create a new prompt, click Add Prompt. This opens a new browser tab. An authoring bar appears at the top of the page. This is your home base when adding, previewing, and editing prompts. It tells you what page you're on, any other prompts on the page, and what to do next. The authoring bar sticks around while you navigate through the current app or switch to another app. Let's go to the page where we want to add the prompt. We're going to choose Account Home in the Sales app since that's a popular place for our users. Let's click Add Prompt to save our choice. Now comes the fun part. You're going to customize your new prompt. Since our message will include tips and a video, we're going to choose a docked prompt. If you only want to show the prompt to certain users, use Profiles and Permissions to restrict who sees it. We are going to keep the prompt so that all profiles and permissions can see it. Now comes the writing part. Embrace your inner copywriter and draft short but impactful content and calls to action. Our prompt is going to talk about some of the cool things you can do for list views and include an information video about using them. Let's add a header, title, body, button labels, and URL where the button takes the user. In the next step, you specify a start and optionally a stop date. This allows you to create prompts in advance and have them ready to go on critical dates. Since List Views is already set up and ready, we can keep the start date as is, so the prompt appears today. Next, we decide if this prompt appears only once or is recurring. We're going to set to 2 reoccurrences with a week apart. Note that if a user acknowledges the prompt by clicking the action button you added, they won't be shown the prompt again, even if you've scheduled additional occurrences. The last step is just for you. Name and add a description so you can easily identify the prompt on the setup page later. Let's save our work and switch to preview mode. You're taken back to the page with the authoring bar. Confirm that everything looks great and that the placement works on the page. If you notice something to fix, click Edit. Our new prompt looks great and is ready for prime time. Let's click Done. Once users start seeing your prompt, you can track its impact by looking at the lifetime views and completes, which is the percentage of users who've clicked on the action button, if there was one. Have a successful prompt? Replicate the success by easily cloning the prompt from the row-level drop-down menu. You can also edit, preview, reset the metrics, delete, or deactivate the prompt from here. You can learn more about prompts and other types of custom help and assistance in Salesforce Help.